Okay, on step 1, you write the correct word equation. Meaning, let's say for instance, we have first example will be magnesium react with hydrochloric acid, which is the acid. We are going to have magnesium chloride. Since magnesium it is in valence 2, this one is in valence 1, we change the superscripts here. These two come here, this one will come here. We're going to have magnesium like that. We write magnesium like that. Plus this hydrogen gas like this. This is the correct word equation. Correct word equation. Second stage, hard correct state symbols. Hard correct state symbols, meaning magnesium, it is a solid. All acids, they are in aqueous state. So meaning this one, it is in aqueous state. So when magnesium reacts with hydrochloric acid, we are going to have magnesium chloride, which is magnesium chloride. It is also in a soluble salt, meaning a soluble salt means that it will carry what? An aqueous state. Now, hydrogen gas, since it's a gas, it is going to have a gas state. After doing so, we go at the third point. The third point will be like, the first point is to write balance the correct word equation. Balance the correct word equation. Since now we have proved that this is a correct word equation, now you have to balance it. Let's take for instance, we have one magnesium here. We have one magnesium here, meaning it is balanced. We have one hydrogen here. We have two hydrogen here, meaning it is not balanced. We have one chlorine here. We have two chlorine here, meaning it is not balanced. You see that. So meaning kuma reactant if product, then the equation is not balanced. So we say we have magnesium, which is the solid. We have got plus. So how many hydrogen do we have here? We have two hydrogen. We have one hydrogen. What should we do? Then we are going to add these two hydrogen here so that it will be 2. Here 2 kuma reactant na product 2. We do this. We are going to change the subscripts here. The subscripts are these. These are what we call subscripts. These are subscripts. But we are going just to deal with the superscript. So we'll say 2 hydrogen chloride like this plus magnesium chloride 2 plus hydrogen gas. This one it is in aqueous. This one also in aqueous. This is the solid. As we have balanced the hydrogen gas here, meaning we have one magnesium, 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen. We have 2 chlorine, meaning we have 2 chlorine here, meaning the equation is now balanced. The equation is now balanced. What should we do? We are going now to cancel those which are in aqueous state. To splint, stage 4 splint, compound in soluble state or aqueous state. So you splint compound which are soluble or in aqueous. So from this we can see that this is the solid, this is aqueous, this is aqueous, this is gas. So on this point 4, the only concentration will be at this and this, only which are only in aqueous. So we are going to splint them. You ionize them or dissociate them. So we say magnesium solid. So we say 2 chlorine positive, hydrogen is a positive, plus hydrochloric acid, 2 hydrochloric acid, which is negative. We are going to have 1 magnesium, which has got positive 2. We are going to have chlorine. This don't come here to move here to be a these superscripts will come here as these subscripts will come here as a superscripts. So here we are going to have 1. So you say plus hydrogen gas. So this one is in aqueous, and this one is in aqueous, this one is in aqueous, this was in aqueous, like that. You do like this. Do like this. After getting done with this, then you cancel which is both sides in aqueous. This hydrogen cancelled with this one. This one won't be cancelled. This is the gas. This one, this is the solid. It won't be cancelled. So we're going to be left out with magnesium solid plus 2 hydrogen. We are going to have magnesium plus 2 aqueous plus hydrogen gas. So this is what we are going to have, meaning this is a correct one, a correct ionic equation. These things we have cancelled, these ion which we have cancelled, these are what we call spectator ion, the ion which we are not involved in the chemical